I'm Anil Kumar. We are exploring area under a curve, and the concept is that if f is any antiderivative of positive function f, the area under y equals to f of x from a to b is ab equals to f of b minus f of a. Now in this example, we have to find area of the function f of x equals to square root of x from x equals to 0 to 4. So let's sketch this function. It is a square root function which could be sketched kind of like this. Okay, kind of like this. And let us say that from 0 to 4, 0 is right there, and let's say this is 4 for us, right? So we need to find area of this portion, right? So we need to find area of this portion. Correct. So let me just shape this one. Okay. So that's what we are interested in finding, right? So, okay, let's make it green. Now, how do you find it? You can actually pause the video, answer the question. Here is the concept. Here is the concept, right? So basically, we need to find antiderivative of the function, and then the difference of antiderivatives value for these limits, which in this case is 0 to 4, will give us the area under this function. That's the concept, correct? Okay, so we are given the function f of x equals to square root of x, which I could write as x to the power of half. Now what is the antiderivative of this? Now antiderivative of this will be, we have to add power. So half plus 1 will give us 3 by 2, and then divide by 3 by 2, correct? Which is 2 over 3 x to the power of 3 by 2. Perfect. So that becomes the antiderivative, and the area in question will be, area will be equals to f of b, that is 4, right? So f of 4 minus f of 0, right? F of 0. So if we substitute these values, if I substitute 4 here, I get 2 over 3. Remember, we are taking the constant c as equals to 0. The idea is when I do this difference, that c cancels off, so there is no point taking any value. You can take c1 to x or just c, but it will cancel out, right? So it's worthwhile just taking it 0. So that is our choice, right? So we choose to take an antiderivative like this. I hope that's correct, right? So that's clear. Okay. So what is f of 4? F of x is 2 over 3 x to the power of 3 over 2. So we'll substitute 4 here, right? So 4, let me write like this, 4 cube and then square root, right? It will be easy for you to calculate. Minus f of 0 is 2 over 3, and we have 0 to the power of 3 over 2, which you know is 0. So we get this as 2 over 3. Square root of 4 is 2, and then cube is 8. So it gets 8 minus 0. So that's your answer, which is 16 over 3, right? So area is 16 over 3 in this region as shown here. So our answer is 16 over 3 units square, right? I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope this concept is absolutely clear. We'll take a few more examples. We'll take a trigonometric function, and then you can pick up a few examples from your book to practice. I'm Anil Kumar. You can always share and subscribe my videos. Thank you, and all the best.